Welcome back, everybody. Daniel once again showing you the knives we've got here at Serenity Knives in our showroom and online. Right now we're going to be with ZT and a really cool model, the 0450. No, it doesn't have a name. If you are familiar with it, the name that people do give it is the Sinkevich, but Sinkevich is a designer, so there are multiple variations of knives he's done and designed. But if you are familiar with this knife, it is a pretty popular one of my favorites from ZT because it's a very slim and EDC-like blade and handle. It's not too big, very lightweight. So starting with the 0450 regular, you're going to have titanium scales, which make everything nice and lightweight. Beautiful stonewash on there if you can't tell. You're going to have really cool red back spacers. You're going to have a double-sided pocket clip, or basically reversible pocket clip, to where you can carry tip up. Smooth as butter mechanism, guys. So if you've heard of ZT, this is the higher-end brand for Kershaw. These guys do a great job. I love what they do. The jimping right here is a really nice touch, and as you use that, it'll also give you just a little bit underneath your finger choil, which is just a great added touch. It's just one of the things you get with a higher end knife. You're also going to have the insert, so you're not wearing down on your titanium. That's always a cool feature. You can slightly see it in there. Really nice, lightweight, slim design. S35 VN steel, so this is definitely a beast. Just a beautiful drop point that you have there with a nice swedge and a thick tip right there, kind of just built in. Nice little diamond right there that you got. Overall, guys, just a really cool knife. I love the fact that it's just so slim and EDC. You could make that a gentleman carry if you'd like. So where you got the 0450. Oh, and the lanyard hole, guys, a really cool lanyard hole in case you want to customize and personalize it. But the 0450 titanium S35 VN, and now we have the 0450 CF. As you can see, we've got some carbon fiber here. We've coated the blade black. And by we I mean ZT, and this is still the S35 VN blade. You're going to have the back side, which is pretty smart with these guys. They used a frame lock on this side, and this is going to also be titanium, so keeping up with the lightweight. Also, you can definitely tell here there's that insert. You can see it there because it's stainless. That way you're no longer wearing on your actual frame. You are wearing on an insert that can be replaced. Same smooth ball bearing that you get there. Lanyard hole along with a reversible pocket clip. You get some cool green back spacers there, so that adds a different flair to it. Overall, guys, you can't go wrong with either one of these. I'm really enjoying these two in the shop here. I'm not a huge big knife fan, and this is actually in that realm of what I like to carry. Let's just go over some measurements here. Once again, I'm in that 3.5 range, very average of mine. I love the way these fit in my hand, full all the way. I have no problem being confident in choking up on that or giving it the fingertip test. Blade length here, you should have right at about 3 1/4. So let's, from heel to tip, you're right at 3 1/4. Handle length, you guys know I like to go right under the choil. You're at about 3 1/2. So a pretty much 1-to-1, little bit longer on the handle, which I'm never opposed to. You're going to have the same thing on this guy, so I'll just make sure. Yeah, I've got a 3 1/4 and 3 1/2. So really close measurements to a 1-to-1 ratio, which I love, guys. It makes a really nice, even looking knife. Nothing too head heavy or too handle heavy, although the handle's a little bit longer. And overall, just a great knife to carry around, guys. As always, pricing is going to be at serenityknives.com on our website. If you have any questions, hit us up there, social media. Make sure you're hitting like and subscribing, and we will see you on the next one, everyone. Bye.